I will limit it because we are running almost more than 1 hour late. I promised the chairman that I will complete it in 5 minutes. So I will not actually touch upon any particular organization and what is being the ICT is doing. One thing I wanted to say is that this particular technology, information and communication technology, has made the life of the common policeman very difficult. Because people other side who are wiser, more educated, more aware, they come out with so much of complaints that आज ये हो गया, आज ये hack हो गया, ये इसमें मेरा Facebook माटा ये कर दिया, and the common ordinary policemen, many of them don't understand that. Just by talking, saying that that we did this and that, it is actually on the ground. If we go by, more than 95% of the policemen in the whole of the country, they are blissfully ignorant of anything called information technology. So that is one part. Second part is that when you come and give a complaint, then it becomes a case and you have to register a case, then use the technology to solve the case. All these things are there. That is also at a very rudimentary stage if you compare it to other countries. But the one thing is that, like Misra just gave, the ICT has also made the life of the police to some extent more comfortable. For example, many of the things which they do on a daily basis, nowadays they will actually type it in a computer, they will keep some particular things there, they don't have to put a carbon and make copies and all these kind of things. And second thing is that they, the forensic part, all the, if in handwriting or you take ballistics or anything, that's all have an IT interface. So all the machines which are being used, so they give you more accurate results. So that is one of the things which they do. And the most advantageous thing as a policeman, I feel, is that it has actually given good thing relating to communication. Earlier, what used to happen is that earlier there used to be only a wireless system. You put it in the PHF or HF or something like that. Now we have much more versatile things like terrestrial radio, which is being used in Delhi police and many of the police forces. And we have the internet, we have the good mobile telephony and smartphones and all this. This has actually made the job of the policeman little easy. Now, in the CCTNs, I think Suresh must have spoken to in the morning, that in the CCTNs project, we have something called specialized solutions, where we are giving the mobile data terminals to the policemen who are going in the bike, who can easily, he doesn't have to do much, just take mobile phone, he will touch the app and everything will come to his mobile data terminal, which will be fitted also to the PCR vehicles in Delhi to handheld devices even by a beat constable. So that is a very ambitious project of the Planning Commission which is being implemented, and we are shortly going to file the RFP, etc. See, these issues are quite, I just wanted to tell, as a person who has now handled IT for quite some time, I have now come to a philosophical level. I say that, look, unless until somebody takes the lead by telling the policeman that you have to be educated and you have to know, there is no point in actually talking about saying that हमने ये कर दिया और एक control room बैठा दिया ये कर दिया. This is not the way. Now, fortunately, the government of India has now come down very heavily on all of us, saying that so many years have passed, you have not trained policemen who are actually in the police station. So an ambitious project has been launched to train these people, 50,000 policemen, in the next 3 years. So we are working out on that at the Planning Commission, and everybody is interested and they are ready to give the money. Only the question is that you have to do it in a way so that they will understand the basics of what is computer and what is communication, what is IT, etc. For that, the biggest problem is, in the police is, sometimes somebody says that police is jinxed or as far as IT use is there. So, people, the industry has come on a very, very positive note. NASCOM, Data Security Council of India, they are helping the police in training, in infrastructure development. That's good. Still more things can be done, like in America, in the US they do. And my only issue is this: till the time the mindset of the senior guys like me and above me, that has to be changed. I asked one of the senior officers that computerization करना है, बोलते computerization से क्या फायदा है? ये तो बहुत बड़ी बेकार चीज में इसमें, because police is destined to actually maintain law and order and detect the crime, etc. That can be done in computer. This is the mindset of the senior people. That has to first change. I said that, look, can we get our CL applications? I mean, application that is actually Abhishek is also here in the government also. Can we start a very small note, the CL application to be sent by a mail and to be approved by a mail? It is not happening. So this is how the mindset has to first change. And for the police, I think a roadmap for the use of IT and the appropriate technology should be made with the help of people like you, so that basic things they don't suffer. We are definitely suffering from basic diseases. Let us not actually think about cancer and all kind of things. No. The basic thing, let us actually think about headache and fever kind of thing. And if a policeman also understands that this is a smartphone in which this can be done, that will be a great thing. This is not actually at present. This is the black or dark picture before you. But I am very hopeful that the things are going in a better direction. So maybe it will be late, but in 3-4 years we can expect something better. Thank you.